You're like, well, this video's gonna be kind of odd because it's by a campfire. Well, this is a marshmallow roasting tutorial, so you put it on your marshmallow stick, and then what you do is bring it over to the fire and roast it over the fire like this, and you gotta keep turning it. See, this is how I'm doing it. It's kind of a hard time because I'm doing this right by the fire here. Here. Let me move you guys a bit closer. Just give me a sec to adjust this chair. Can you hold this for me? This is gonna be like a 5-minute video just because of the camera. Wouldn't my mom do the fire turning? Should I say log turning? I just imitated one of the dogs talking. So you know, the dogs can actually talk. Actually. Okay. Marshmallow time. So like I said, get it over your fire here and keep turning it. I got blue flames. Hottest in the world. Oh no! Well, that's how you roast a marshmallow. I hope you know how to roast a marshmallow now. Peace!